and I'm on the way to making Southern-style pecan pralines. In this recipe, you're going to need 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 bag of chopped pecans, 1 cookie sheet, and your choice of wax paper or aluminum foil. First, add your evaporated milk. Then, turn on your heat to medium. Freeze 4 tablespoons of butter. Next, add 1 cup of sugar. Constantly, you're making pecan pralines. Butter or spray cooking spray on your cookie sheet if you use aluminum foil, like I did. Stir in your condensed milk. It's going to be smelling great. Stir constantly for the next 20 minutes or until darker brown. Turn down the heat after. You don't want to burn it fast. Add in the frozen butter. Then add in the pecans. Stir until your butter is dissolved. Carefully put tablespoons of mixture on the cookie sheet. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes or until hardened. And remember, if it doesn't harden, grab your spoon. After all, it is candy. It's delicious, so enjoy.
These are really great. I encourage you to try these at home. And don't forget, like, share, comment,